When we talk about a meeting room panel, many companies would think it is just a display. But in fact, room display is very crucial because it can create a cozy, quiet, and secured environment for your meeting, so that your team can concentrate in the discussion. Okay, maybe we can go through a common scenario that may happen constantly in an office without a room panel. Without a room panel showing the room status and real-time availability, people may get into the wrong room. If your meeting with clients is disturbed, your clients will feel shocked, confused, or even angry about the interruption. And that will have a negative effect to your company image. Also, if there is no room displays outside the meeting rooms, your staffs can hardly understand the room status and availabilities. In this case, it will create confusion and inconvenience to everyone. Therefore, room panel is not just a display, but an important device in an office. Let's see what can our room panel do. First of all, with room displays outside the conference rooms, at least you can easily notice the status and availabilities. Embarrassing situation, such as entering the wrong room, can be avoided. Without sudden interruption, you can concentrate in the meetings with your clients, and your company's image can be saved. Thirdly, in case of you cannot finish the meeting within the reserved period, you can still view the real-time availabilities of other rooms on the room panels, and then make an immediate reservation. Our 3D map will show you the available rooms. You can directly book the room on the map. Finally, the whole booking process is also convenient and flexible. After you have selected the room, you can finish the booking by either a staff card or scanning the QR code. In case if you lost your staff card, you can still make the reservation by phone. To know more about Smart Office and booking system, you can go to our website or social media platforms and contact with us.